Hi, welcome back to Sublistar channel here. Today I'm going to be doing this video for client. How to create spot color channels in Photoshop for Sublistar Fluorescent DTF printer. So we are going to go ahead, just open a random image in Photoshop. For demonstration, I use the color bar image. The first things we want to do is make sure that the model of the image is set to CMYK because we are using CMYK printer. And the next thing is image size, and then just confirm the resolution. Make sure the resolution is 300 and also the size is what you need to be. Next step here would be go to select loader selection. Click OK. So this select the entire image because we want a full white on the base for DTF transfer. So why I'm selecting the entire image. The next things I'm going to do is to go to the channel panel and add a new spot channel. Click add a new spot channel and name it Spot W and make sure this is 100% solidity. Then click OK. And next I want to set up another spot color for the fluorescent pink color. Make sure that I have all of the channels selected, and then I can use magic tool, select the color area. Make sure all of the fluorescent pink be selected and then select the selected area. You can also choose to keep it if you want to mix fluorescent colors and regular colors. And here I want to print 100% fluorescent colors, so I choose delete. Go to the channels panel to the menu and add a new spot channel, and this time I want them it spot FP. And again, make sure all of the channels be selected. Using magic tool, select fluorescent yellow color, press delete, and go to channel menu, add spot color, and we name it spot FY. So now my spot colors are set up. If I turn off the rest of my channels, you can see that solid black where I want the fluorescent pink to go, and also the fluorescent yellow. Once you have done that, you must remember to save your file as TIFF file. Remember, don't select this transparency. Click OK. Now we get a minimize here, and the next step is going to footprint to rip your job. Select your print model and add your job. Right-click your job and go to the job properties. Here we can choose color model. Because we have made spot color channel in Photoshop before, so this option we choose the second option, spot color. In this tab, it will tell the software the color channel you made your image with Photoshop print with your selection. So here we choose spot 1, spot 2, and spot 3. After that, just click send. And we will get a PRT file here. This PRT file is get ready to print with your printer control software. So open your printer control software here and select the PRT file we ripped with for the print and click print. Any other questions, please contact Sublistar team. Thanks for watching.